Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to get Playstore in Samsung Smart TV. Let's go. If you need a Google Play Store, then it is only available on Android TV or Google TV. You can use Chromecast with Google TV and you will have a Play Store. Or use Samsung App Store. Open Apps, select the application and install. If you need something that is not here, you can use the Play Store on your phone. Turn on screen mirroring. Open Play Store. Install the desired application on your phone. Any application and any game will be streamed from your phone to your TV. That's it. Now you know how to get Play Store in Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.